Hey viewers, today I'm going to show you how to remove stains from a mattress. Now, aside from personal hygiene, why else would you want to do this? Well, excessive stains can void warranty, so if you're going to make a claim, you might want to clean it first. Also, if you're planning on replacing your mattress, donating it to charity, or perhaps getting it collected by recyclers, they often will reject it if it's stained. Now, I just use nappy sand in some warm water and a cloth. You might want to just start off with some warm water, perhaps a little bit of dishwashing liquid, but I just go straight to the nappy sand. Obviously, you want to test this out on a small spot somewhere. Also, just read the instructions to be sure that you don't use it on other materials that it's not recommended for. Now, you just want to soak your cloth in the water, dip it in, and just wring it out, and then just gently rub it. So don't put too much pressure because you don't want to tear the material. All right, and just keep going over it. Now, despite having a waterproof mattress protector, which was recommended by the retailer where we bought the mattress from, you still get stains coming through it. All right, so as you can see, it's already fading. I'll just get my shadow out the way. All right. So you probably use nappy sand to remove stains from your laundry as well. Now, I'll just get a bit more. Okay, and rub it in. I'll try to get my shadow out the way. And there you go. Hopefully you can see that it's already fading. Okay. All right, so most of it's gone. And obviously there's little stains around here. I'll do them later on, but not part of the video. I don't want to drag it out. So most of it's pretty much gone. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll let it air dry a little bit and then get the hairdryer and dry it. Now with a hairdryer, just do it at an angle and not too close because I don't want to burn the material. Okay, here's another couple of spots here. And we'll get some, wring it out, come back to our spot. Okay, and just give it a rub, and it should eventually, so it's fairly light. I don't want to tear the material. Now, just for reference, this is a temper, so I am doing it on a pretty expensive mattress. And just in case you have one and you're concerned, but again, just try on a small spot to start with. There you go, it's pretty much disappeared. I don't know if you can see that. Now with this particular mattress, I can remove the top cover and wash it. I've been a little reluctant to do so because if it doesn't dry completely, it could get moldy. So it's something I'll probably leave for summer. So this is the area you saw at the beginning of the video, had quite a few stains. It's pretty much all gone. And now I'm just going to use the hairdryer to dry it out. Just at a bit of an angle like that, or hover over the top. Well, that's it. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.